Hello everyone, it's your boy Prophet Busy and I'm on the block. So at here today, I'm in the upper west region, GUMO to be precise, and I'm loving nature. I've been around 4 days ago and I'm loving the nature. This neighborhood, hey, fantastic. Try to be here, Try to be here. I've been around with the brothers that show love. I mean love, They welcome everybody and this is very interested. Everybody is welcome here, so let's get in touch with the guys. Okay everyone, we are in GUMO Chief's Palace, and here we are going to learn more about GUMO again.
GUMO in the Upper West region.
Upper West region, to be precise, the district.
Sisala West District.
Sisala West District. So I'm here with the chief. So there must be an introduction. You know, I don't understand or how to speak the language, so there's a translator who will help us out. So in my language, I will say Martin. So in the first place, when we say GUMO, what's the motive behind that name?
It's GUMO.
GUMO, sorry.
Yes, our grandfathers, they are hunters.
Okay.
So during the olden time, when they roam to some certain place and when they become tired, they set at some place and rest for the meantime, and finally took his journey again.
Okay.
So according to the old people,
Okay.
our grandfather, he's a hunter, roam up to some place and he become tired.
Okay.
So he settled here to rest. When he settled here, this place become comfortable to him.
Okay.
And he said he'll take this place as his place. So his followers came and add to him. Settle here as GUMO.
That's the whole story about GUMO.
So, and they hold the place so that they will hold it very firmly so that it will not fall or it will not move away from them.
Okay. So the
meaning of the GUMO
is holding something
family.
Okay.
In the language.
Okay. In the language, GUMO means holding it firmly. Thank you. So the name of the chief of this town, I hope is Baba. So what's the name of?
Okay. At the moment,
Okay.
he's not the chief, he's the landlord.
Okay.
And the chief is Koro Abdurazak Giro.
Okay. Kuro Abdul Razak.
Giro.
Hero.
He is the old man, he is the landlord
Okay.
of GUMO.
Oh,
Yaogopal Bolli.
okay.
He is the landlord.
Okay.
And the landlord, he normally selects the chief.
Okay. Okay, we have the landlord,
Yes.
and we have the chief. So the landlord selects the chief. Wow, very interesting. Wow. And today I'm here with my boss. So when you see me here, I'm not alone. I'm here with my boss. So any explanation, you must go for my boss. So here, what's the main occupation that's around here?
Actually, the main occupation is farming and rearing of animals. Yes.
Okay. And how is the education sector too moving around here?
Actually, the education too is moving successfully.
Okay.
The children are been going to school regularly, and they came and said there's in a school here for them because of the effort they put in education side.
Okay.
So the Ghana Education Service tried to motivate them and put a structure for them as their school from primary 1 to GHS 3.
Wow. So for now, I know things have been going on well by the will of the Most High.
Yes.
So what are the challenges that you guys are facing around this GUMO?
Actually, there are a lot of problems and a lot of challenges we are facing here. One way for another, our water size is a big problem, and the transportation side too is a problem. There are no good roads to move around. So sometimes when it's rain here, how to even move to another community is a problem. And there is a nearby community here. If it's rain here, you cannot even cross
to that community.
That community.
The same thing over here. Yesterday when I was going, it took me hours before I crossed.
So, and the other things, our education side too is, the place is far from the district, so we do find problems, especially the teachers' problem and listening equipment.
For them to really help the students to
teachers. Any teacher posted here don't want to come.
Don't want to come.
So they are facing teaching problems. Need teachers to assist them.
Okay, lovely people around the world. This is the message from GUMO. These are the challenges that they are facing and the life out here. It's very good, serene environment to live as humans already. They have good nature, but they are having problem with their water sector, education sector too. Although they are willing to have that education, but the equipment to help is not there. So we are pleading, both the government and the people around. I believe there are more people around the world who are watching and believe they are from GUMO and also Ghana. So please come and help. Let's help build a unique environment for ourselves. Because one day you don't know where you will be relocated. Maybe it will be here. So let's help build boreholes, and also let's help construct the road, at least bridges, for them to help to cross the rivers around the area to the other communities. So for now,
and one thing is that
okay,
we are in a very, very poor backgrounds and family. And whenever one of their children were able to proceed more, there is no fund to proceed. So they'll make us to be in the house, moving around, because we are not having any sponsorship to go forward. That's our problem.
So you guys need education scholarships to help the education sector to grow, and also the teachers.
So they all need.
Okay.
At least there should be support for the at least for now.
And some when you even complete school, if you have no job.
No job,
Jobless.
At long last, you go back to the farm.
Well, I hope it's very getting interesting. There are more lot to talk about, but for now we will cut everything short because the problem all includes in one thing: we are in need. So both education sector, water sector, road, please, we are in need. We know government can do his part, but as individual, we also can help. So for now, if you see on the screen, we will paste the numbers there. When you call, any help that you have, please, you can give out. For the community, it's very good environment to live in. There's no problem. Security system are good. People around this area, seriously, are very unique and fantastic. Because I've been here for 4 days and I'm loving it. I don't even think of going to Kumasi because the people around here are very, very good family to be with. So try as much as possible. We are pleasing all of you guys to help you out for the water, education system, the road around here. Because there's no any job aside farming. But the children here are very brilliant in education. Aside education, they are very, very creative ones around here. So when the support comes, they too can get that help too. Thank you all for watching. GhBlack in the channel. Subscribe and leave the comment. Bye bye.